I'm Jim McCullen. I'm Chief Technology Officer at Century Supply Chain Solutions. Before Cleo, I think the biggest challenge we were facing was that we had many different solutions or components that got us to the end result of integration that we needed. And it worked. The challenge was if something went wrong, you might not know where it was going wrong or catch it, right? And so a big part of why we decided to move to Cleo was we wanted one platform where we could go to and understand the entire kind of ecosystem of that transaction, right? Not three different applications that were doing different parts of it, right? Like, oh, we're gonna handle the SFTP connection over here, and then we're gonna do the mapping somewhere else, and then maybe we're gonna translate it into some other document format in a third system. With Cleo, we're able to bring it all into one place, and that was a big reason why we wanted to make this change.